Welcome guys to another video where we are going to see the biggest crypto news of October 2024. Welcome once again, my name is Pedro, as you already know, and I'm the expert in the online school Moneyfest, where we teach people, we help people to start making money, the first money in cryptocurrencies. Now, the world of cryptocurrencies is not stopping soon. So guys, I hope you pay very close attention to this news that we have. As always, watch the video until the end, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and follow us on our social media so you can keep up with all these news, because guys, as I'm saying, everything is heating up in crypto. Now is the moment to get involved. Now, first things first, Bitcoin and Ethereum reach record levels during this month. We are again very close to the all-time high, and we are seeing how in general the world of cryptocurrency, the different cryptocurrencies that there are going up. But specifically, Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing very well. It has been an amazing month for both of them. Now, why? Why are they going up? Why this is what is happening? Well, simple. First of all, because the United States, and this is the biggest and most important news, is massively investing in cryptocurrency. To be more specific, we have that the chief financial officer of Florida, the state of the United States, has said that they hold, well, crypto worth over $800 million. Imagine, United States government already has over $800 million worth of Bitcoin, and they are not the only one, okay? Other people related to the government of the US, they said that the state pension system should start putting funds into crypto. And there's a lot of, private investment pension funds that are already doing that, okay? The investment board of Wisconsin and New Jersey City are also investing in digital assets. To be more specific, the Wisconsin board has invested over $163 million in the Bitcoin ETF, and it's not the only one. In Pennsylvania, we have seen others investing on Ethereum. Even, well, in general, the most prominent economics of the US has said that Bitcoin is becoming a store of value, a reserve, just like gold, and that other states and other countries are going to be doing the same. So we can see that the big guys, the governments, are already coming in. They are seeing the potential on it, and that's why the price is going up. But that's not the only good news we have. We have always more news. And for example, Avalanche, one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the world, okay, one of the biggest projects, has introduced a Visa payment card. This is amazing because this allows you to on-chain directly from the blockchain spend your crypto in the real world. They are putting it together, because some people say it can be difficult to exchange your crypto into the real life. How are you going to change them? Well, now it's easy. You put your crypto in your card, and with that card, that can be virtual or the physical, they have two of them, you can come to the store, pay directly with your cryptocurrencies. With USDT, with USDC, with Avalanche, with any cryptocurrency that you want, you will be able to buy bread, to buy, I don't know, any other thing that you want, clothes, food, everything is possible. And that is the development of the cryptosphere. Guys, the cryptosphere is not stopping anytime soon. The growth is just getting faster and faster and faster, and you are gonna see how around you all things are gonna move in this direction, and before you even think about it, you will start using cryptocurrencies for day-to-day payments without realizing. So now is the moment to take action and start getting involved in crypto even before all of this. It's very important to start getting there before and taking the opportunity. Now, if you want more news, if you want to keep up with all related to crypto so you can be those guys who are there before, who take advantage and make money out of it, well, I recommend you to follow us on social media, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Telegram, on Instagram, on YouTube. You will have all the links on the description, so don't miss out. Okay, especially in WhatsApp, we have a special channel where you can get all the news and you can start learning about crypto and get all the news, all the insights, so you can grow your knowledge and, start putting it into practice. So as you can see, October has been a month that, well, hasn't but gave good news for crypto. It has been an amazing month, and I am sure that November and December, which is always very good, normally the end of the year, will be even better. So guys, now is the moment to start getting into this world and start taking advantage of it. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, guys, give it a thumbs up. Again, follow us on our social media, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.